And she's up. Well, alright, that is already pretty decent. No major problems noticeable. Definitely handles a little different than the other things I've been flying, but not in a bad way at all. Man, that just really leapt right into the air. Going at pretty low throttle right now, and that's looking good. Really stable. I was really nervous about all the work I invested in this, even though it came out a little bit crude. Still really great looking plane. Wow, that's impressive. Not gonna get too crazy with it just yet on the Maiden, but I'm gonna enjoy cruising this around a little bit. Nice rolls. Really slow though. Not really doing quick axial rolls. I don't think that's really what this plane is for though. Man, that is just rock steady and so graceful. A little snappier with the turns. But again, I've got a lot of other planes that do those extra snappy turns. Man, that is just something else. I would actually like to get into some first person or FPV with a platform like this. I think this would be perfect for starting with something like that. That's gorgeous. Alright, I'm going to bring her in and see what kind of footage I got here. Hopefully this is enjoyable to watch as it was to fly.